If you don't have proper brake line tools, as far as flaring tools, tube benders, cutters, things like that, sometimes installation of a disc brake conversion kit can be a huge frustration. Just for the simple fact of trying to get the lines routed properly to valve locations and so on, taking the stock lines, whatever, it becomes a challenge. It becomes something that doesn't look as good. So what we've done here is we've listened to our customers. They've told us that sometimes having a hard line set would make life a lot easier. So what we've got here is our first introduction of hard lines. These are not reproduction lines. These are lines that are specifically meant to install in a vehicle using Master Power Brakes products. So for the 64 to 66 Mustang is what we have here. These are a 3-piece stainless steel line set. It's going to come with the rear line, right front, left front, and this will install in the vehicle to make your life a lot easier when using our disc brake conversion kit. So let's take a look at a car we've got here in the shop. In fact, it's the one we did some R&D work off of, and let's show you how these install, where they install, and why it's going to make your life easier. To begin the installation, using the template we provide, mount the valve on the inner fender in the appropriate location. Locate and drill the 5/16 holes in the inner fender, and mount the valve. With the valve mounted in place, begin the process of installing the lines. The right front line will attach to the upper front port, the left front line will attach to the lower front port, and then the rear line going to the rear of the car will attach to the back of the valve. With the rest of the hard lines installed, install the lines that go from the master cylinder to the combination valve. These would have been provided with the front disc brake conversion kit. Hopefully we've answered all your questions. If you have more and still need a little bit of additional help, mpbrakes.com is there for you. And as always, give our tech reps a call. We're always here to help you.